Yes, today we're just gonna look at the bots and see how they're doing. My most of my main account it's paused for the holidays, but I wanted to run this to check how they will do. And if you remember, we set up a sand bot last time, and that one failed for some reason. I'm waiting for customer service to get online so I can check what it was, because the reason that gave didn't make sense at all. That's this failed one here, you see. There were plenty of funds in the account, but still it said that too little. So the dot one looks decent. That's this one in this trade. We had a small one on Monday, but that didn't come out much from that one. So now we're in a short and hoping that will pay off a little bit more. Sorry. The AVEX one we just started. The Supra one is in negative, but that's usually a good one, so I hope it will turn up again. It's not the best time for running bots, as you can see. But I'm in the process of looking over the settings on the bots, because we had a trailing stop loss on all of them. I want to try something else on them. That will be for the next trade. Guys, if there's any questions, just type them in the chat or unmute and just ask. There is it's not much to look at this week, so if there is anything that you wonder about, just now is good time to ask. Nothing. Everyone else quiet too? Test. 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 Testing. How about now? Testing. Now it's okay, right? Yeah, this is annoying. Yeah, but now you can hear me. something strange with Discord. It keep losing which microphone I'm using. It's all good, all good. Well, as I was just saying earlier, no one here. I'm looking into want to remove the trailing stop loss on some of the bots to see if we can get more out of them. But then the long only is not the best one to start on. The dot one is why I keep opening that one. I'm thinking to add a couple of more. Fifteen, 15, 15, 15, 20, and 20 is usually a good one. And take off that one. Yeah, and guys, if there's anything that you want to ask, it's just ask, and we'll see what we can figure out. Because this is the Christmas week, there is very little going on the chart, so. Yeah. Both. It's on the indicator, right? And it's also on the bots. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I changed it to both ways. But I have a long only bot on the one I was planning on setting up here on the BitGet token, because they're pumping that one crazy. We can look at that now. It's this one. The setting for it is it's up here. Long only. Yeah. But this one you use when you're trading spot, right? The little drop down. What you mean, Kevin? This one? Or this one? This backtest thing, that's in the settings. Oh, on the toolbar. That's the price range tool. It's this one. And you find it in... Okay, my recorder is in the way now. So here. Counts my wind loss. I'm not sure what you... Yeah, you're really low, but let me turn up. The price range, right? This one. This one. That one. That's in TradingView. The templates. Yeah. Oh, you mean where I change the colors? Uh, no, I coded in the colors, so I just when it's a negative trade, I just click on it and I make it red. Oh yeah. Yes, no problem. Ping guy, how to set it? How to use it? I mean, it's very simple. But let me set up a new layout. Wait, I have to check first. No, we don't have it on the... I have to find something else to set up. Because it's on BitGet only. No, everything is so red today. It's not fun to set up what's on it. Can set up one on that one. That would be fun, but that's impossible. No, I will have to tweak again this one. But Pingai, what you asked about earlier, we start it at the end, at the close of the candle, always. If it's a red one, we start at the bottom. If it's a green one, we start at the top. And I draw it down until the high, or like the low on the short one, right? So I know I have to have the TPs within that that number. It's strange that this bot suddenly stopped working on that trade. But I'll set up a new one so we can find. Anyone know any spot tokens that's moving a little bit nice? It doesn't have to be a spot token either. It can be anything. Oh my god. Autopilot. Say is a token I've been wanting to set up a bot on for a while. Three-hour looks good. No, 3 hour is absolutely best. Let's see what baseline. $30 is usually a good one. No. Oh my god. Strange. Does not like the filter. Yeah, let's test this one and see. August 1st. You see this baseline filter, it stops the trades from going in too soon, too early. We need the longs to get above the line. You see the net profit is not that good. That's the one that you talked about earlier. I just marked them red so I know which one is negative. Hmm. 5. I wonder. This is a trade that will go to stop loss. I'm not sure about this token, but at least 3 trades to stop loss. It's not that bad, maybe, but it's not ideal either. That's another one. James, the baseline, it's basically a EMA, and the price need to come, for it to go short, it need to be below the baseline, and for it to be long, it need to be above the baseline. This will prevent a lot of the, you see, like this, like the small trades that will go break even or small loss. There is one, there is one, there is one, there is one. So it takes out a lot of the bad small trades. It's hard to get it perfect, right? There's always something. Yeah, exactly. You don't get this. You don't get the alert until it passes the baseline. Yeah. So yeah, I play with the settings to get the best average offer over the last 25 trades. That's what this show is like, the average. Now this is the combine, and this is the average. Yeah. Yeah. It was a big improvement when we got those into the. But like you see here, it looks like it's losing a lot of the trade. But if you turn it off, everything changes. So it's not the same. It will come, because this is the X, and you get the signal from there, but it wouldn't have gone in until maybe in the middle. It's a little bit hard to explain. Just try it out and see what you find. And most of the tokens, they react very different. Some need like 10, 20, and most of mine is like around 30. But that it's like 4-hour bots. Usually it's a little bit higher. But this token was big difference. It much more on 3-hour. And also, did you notice how the autopilot changed here? It's on 1 now, right? And 10, 7, 6. It jumps up and down. It always calculate what's the best settings to have. Again, based on the last 25 trades. Shit, it closed over. Like one different on the baseline, and this trade wouldn't be taken. Uh, you have to save the alert again, yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes. The alert always fire based on the settings you have when you saved it. No, 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 no. As long as you save it with the baseline that you want, that one will be the one that it fire off. Yeah. Yes, yes. Mm. Rab, what do you mean GMT is moving now, or is moving nicely for a bot? Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we can look at that because I don't think I will set a bot on this one until it's more stabilized. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, someone is pushing buttons. It seems like the dexes are popular nowadays, huh? You have a hype that's moving crazy, and drift is going good, and now GMT too. So mhm. Yeah, it's yeah. I was looking into that Meteora stuff that Zeus was talking about yesterday. It's really interesting too. You can, but then you really see the manipulation and how the tokens are moving. It's crazy. You don't need much. You don't need much. If you look at this, uh, as an AA, I put in $123, and in an hour or so, 2 hour, I made almost $10 on it, just in fees. So if you put in $1,000, then you will have $100. It's like 1.5 hour or something, 2 hour maybe, tops. So it's coming. No, you don't have to watch it. You just check in, and you mark on the chart like where you have your range, right? And if you see that the price go up or below it, you just go in and adjust, or you add a little bit. It's really interesting, and Zeus explain it really well. Yeah, and if you just have have those tokens in the wallet anyways, then it's a no-brainer. Meteora. AG. Let me post the link so you're. There is others too. You have MarginFi and yeah, Drift, and there is a lot of them. But the reason we like this one is they are coming with a token soon. So there is a possibility for an airdrop, and we like that. Okay. It's not that bad actually. Two and 5, 10. Okay, before we go further, you said GMT, right? Check that one. Wow. That's a crazy candle. You don't see trading view. You see the problem with these wicks, they break through and then you enter high up, right? But this one is actually continuing. So yeah, but we have these moves on this token. There is this isn't bad. Both ways are pretty stable. But here I like 4 hour much better. Like 3 hour is only half. Let's see what different filters say. Hmm. You see, this one is opposite from the one before. there we had like to lower it down to get higher, and here it's we need a high value. No, 30 seems to be the magic number on this one. Okay, since it takes time now, so we're gonna take a month less. But when you guys find good tokens to put bots on, just post it in the chat so everyone can see. I think there is many people that struggle to find really good tokens. Or I know there is many people that struggle with that. Hmm. It is a little bit strange sometimes. Yeah, you're correct in that one. This price action was some news event, right? The 25th of October. I forgot what it was, but it was some news. And they are always annoying for the bots because we get those movements in the wrong way. Hmm. This looks much better than the save one, yeah? $25. 10. Yeah. This we can set up a 4-hour big boy. Since there is 200 in that account, I can't be more than 40 each. Um, Three X, I guess. Um, hmm. guess there is no low limit on that one. Two, 5, 10, 15. Mm. James, yeah, just post in the setup room for the bots. Not trading bot, but setup room. The trading bot, that's for Max and his hodl bot. Ping guy. Sorry, I didn't see that one. Um, you mean the green, the trend line? This one? That's only for visual. It have nothing to do with the close. Is you see the X there? It's in the middle of that candle. It used to be on the close of the candle, but we saw that sometimes the new entry came before the close, so it messed up for the exchanges. So we had to put the exit a little bit before. But it's easy to see when you have the baseline, because then you have the exit and then the entry can come a little bit later, so it's easy to see. But the exit, it's not a given point in the candle. It's somewhere in there. When you look at it live, then you will see it. It comes like a green or a red dot under the candles, and that's when you get alert most of the times. Hmm. Yeah, exactly. The main profit is yeah, it's from the TPs. Um, we used to have 4 before, but then we used trailing. But I'm trying now to see if I can squeeze a few dollar more out of it with adding a couple of more. Like this one, I would normally start the trailing at 10 and just have the 50 as the last one. And now I'm gonna try to have 15 and 20 too. Let's see, the stop loss on this was a few times that were fairly big, right? Yeah. How often is that? Hmm. Okay, so if we put the stop loss to 10% to avoid these, so that's 4, 12, $12 each time. But the profit is there, so it's worth a shot. Because it's low leverage, right? We can 2 or 3, then it's okay with a wider stop loss. But this is yeah. And stop loss to break even at TP2. It's my normal one. I did that. So $40. Okay. And you see this one, the place take profit and stop loss on exchange. Since we're not using multiple entries, then this is okay. But if as soon as you use multiple entries, you can't use that one. Because there is a limit on 10 conditionals orders, so it will mess up for the poor guys at window trading. Yeah, looks good. And then we need to copy the alert text over. Alert mode always to manual. There, it should be good to go. So we just save the alert. New feature. Okay. I think it was RMA. Yeah. Let's see if it's saved. There it is. So now we're ready to go. Let's see, where is... I'm thinking we can just start this bot manually. Normally we don't do that, but since we're missing a trade earlier, so it's... So now that will of course retrace. That's just normal. And it's working. Rab, are you here? Did you try to say something and got cut off in the middle of a sentence before? I thought... Yeah, no, it was someone. I'm not sure if it was you or someone else. I just remembered I should ask after. So I don't know anymore today. Just a waiting game now to see if it's gonna go as we hope. So I guess if there is no more questions, we're just gonna end the stream there. Ah, we have a visit from the boss too. Hello, Viking. You finish with dinner? Yeah. It's a hard life, huh? Yes. It's actually a spot bot. Yeah, it's the BGB or BNG, the BitGet token. Yeah. Yes, because they... Yeah. Yes, exactly. I also been looking into that the liquidity providing that Sue started with. That's really interesting. Yeah. Yeah, it seems Meteora looks decent. I'm mainly been using. Yeah, I set up a couple of them. But the big earner today has been that the Swarm Node AI token. It's like what almost 10% of uh, my locked my TVL there. I got almost 10% in fee in just a couple of hours. Yeah, that's like that's crazy. But I guess it's because it's brand new, right? Yeah, yeah.